Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have this cool device to review. And this device is the CrazyBaby Nano 1S, or you can just refer to it as the Nano 1S. And it's a truly wireless headphone. And what does that mean, guys? It simply means that if you were to actually open this up to check out the device itself, you'll realize that it has no extra wires, and all you need is in this simple earpiece. Both will go into the right or left ear, and of course you can enjoy great music. And of course you get up to 5 hours battery life out of these. And if you were to deplete the battery, you can simply place them back into the case for charging. And what would happen is that it would fully charge these up to 2 times. So that's a total of 15 hours battery life. Now, one of the things I love about this device is the various colors. You can choose from a variety of colors, and of course those colors would include colors such as black, there's a white, which you're seeing here, and of course there's coral pink, and of course gold, and there is a blue. And you can pick this up for about US 129 or so on Amazon. You can see the CrazyBaby logo right here, which is cool. And if you check out this casing right here, it operates similarly to that of a AirPod, and you can see the charging port, which is USB type C. If you look around here, there is a LED to indicate charging, and of course this pill like shape is basically a case and a battery housing for the device. They're totally Bluetooth wireless. Now if you've ever seen a wireless headphone, most other devices have some extra appendages attached to their headphones. Of course, the CrazyBaby Nano 1S doesn't have those extra crazy appendages, and thus they call it a true wireless headphone. And I totally agree. These things are super comfortable to wear. I actually had them on all day. And what I found out is that unlike other devices where you would have ear fatigue from having ear headsets in, these simply were just in my ear, and I simply forgot that they were there, which is, I can't really say the same for other devices or similar devices. The case or the charging case works perfectly. As you saw a while ago, you can simply just put them in, and of course they come out quite easily. You can snap this back, put it into a pocket, and when you're ready or you're finished with this device, you just simply snug it back into its carrying case, and of course it will just automatically charge. You can charge this overnight, but of course there's no way you're going to use all of 15 hours worth of playtime while going on throughout the day. And of course they come with a variety of features, guys. The features include stuff like IPX4, which is sweat and water resistant, meaning if these get a little splash, or of course if they get a little wet from sweating, they will not be damaged. So you can take them jogging, for example, or of course if you have sweaty palms, these should not be an issue. You also get Bluetooth 5.0. I was able to achieve connectivity from anywhere in the room, and of course I went one room over, and of course it was still connected. I was able to even go all the way to the end of the house and stay at the other end, and as long as there was no solid walls, and we're talking about brick walls in most cases, or concrete walls or so on, it should not block the signal. And there's also an application, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute here. And of course you can check out the app. The app is of course the CrazyBaby app. Let me just show you this for a minute right here. And if I were to connect, you'll see the app right here. It's optional, and what it does, it basically allows you to and before showing the CrazyBaby app, let me just simply show you how easy it is to connect to the app itself. Let me just put these down for a quick second. And of course there, see that they're quite balanced. You can easily keep balance on a table. And of course this is Bluetooth, and all I'm going to do is just connect to your CrazyBaby device. And for the first time they'll pair, but of course seeing that I've already done it, they should work quite fine. I might have to remove them from their case to make it easier to activate them, but of course let me just remove them. The reason why it has failed is because they were not removed, so let me just go ahead and remove them. So as you see, once they're removed, they'll power up and they'll be visible. So let me just try again, and as you can see here, once it's active, and this one is active right now, you'll see it basically just said connected for a call and so on. So they're that easy to connect. And of course if I go here and I search for the CrazyBaby app, you'll see the app right there. So I'll just hit, and of course you see it shows the CrazyBaby Nano 1S. Quite easy. And as I said, the app itself is optional, guys. So as you can see here, the app will allow you to actually mess with stuff such as answer calls by pressing once and so on. You can actually go and see as voice assistant. You press twice, play, next, previous, and so on. So this is what some of the cool things that the app will do. It also allows you to play your own music. So for example, if I went back, you see where it said connected just now. I hit on music, you'll be able to choose from your music from within here, or you could use your device's standalone player. It doesn't really matter. You can also go into settings, and you can see you can password lock this and set up a system to remind you of your password and so on by linking it with your email. But of course, you do not need the application itself. But if you want to get the full features out of your device, make sure you go ahead and do that. And of course, if I start playing my music right now, they'll start playing in both devices. As you see, they are functional and working. And of course, if you look at the device itself, which is the ear set or the ear pieces, if you were to tap right here, this section acts as a button, so you could actually press once to power up in case it's asleep or it's not connected, or I could double tap on so on, as you saw in the app, to skip, pause, and play and all of that. And of course, when they're not being used, guys, you simply place them back in and they'll quickly start charging. As you see, these are now charging again, and you can see the LEDs indicated right there showing you that they are charging. And of course, they're quite easy to fit back in place. One complaint I have about the case though, guys, is that it does feel a little bit wonky, meaning when you do pull it out like this, it's kind of loose. I would like if it was more, as you can see, it's rocking back and forth. I would have loved if it was more firm, because the last thing you don't want to do is to break this. I don't think it will break that easy though, but of course it does feel that way. As you saw here, it does wobble from back and forth. So a quick note to CrazyBaby, if you could make this just much more firmer, and of course if you're careful, you shouldn't have a issue. And I love the addition of the LEDs right here. Notice that they light up and so on whenever the device is charging, and of course you just simply close and it's good to go. The 15-hour battery life, 5 per charge, is quite good. It also has great bass in terms of sound quality, because you're getting this for good sound. So that is great. I'm not an audio expert or audiophile, but I can attest that it does produce quite clear voices. For example, in terms of calls, you get a nice stunning bass that gives you that good thump that you get from good quality or okay level headphones. And of course, it's well designed. As you saw, everything just simply works. And of course, the pairing was dead easy. So in terms of ease of use, you have nothing to worry about. Charging is also quite convenient. You simply plug this into a laptop, or of course, if you have an adapter, you can plug this to the wall. And of course, guys, I'm totally satisfied with this device. I highly recommend it. This is version 2. And of course, I would not advise that you get the older version. You get the updated version. As I said, you can pick this up for $129 on Amazon. And these are the updated version. The company has learned a lot from their first device, and as a result, they have implemented it in this version, which is the improved CrazyBaby Nano 1S. And of course, guys, you can check out the full review over at the blog at blogtechtips.com. I'll put a link below in the description. You can check that out. I'll put it on screen somewhere around here, or earlier in the video. You can click the annotation and you'll see it. All right, guys. So this has been Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, promoting this great device, which is a truly wireless headset, which most other companies cannot claim. This has been the best design I've seen. It's not overly large, nothing protruding out of the device. It's a bit on the pricey side, but you do get what you pay for. So of course, I give this device a thumbs up, and I do advise that you purchase this. Alright guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time, guys. Bye until our next video.